What's up, YouTubians? Gary with VW Jawbreaker. So I've been working on a secret project over about the last 6 weeks with a good friend of mine for the upcoming Bug Jam down in Dade City, Florida. This thing is an awesome event, about 700 plus cars every year, dirt track with Volkswagens flying around on it, camping, fire pits, food, live bands, you name it, parts swaps, new parts. Bug Jam is epic. Every year you need to go if you are available. If you're not available, become available and go anyway. That's what I would do if I were you. I pretty much clear my schedule. I don't care, I'll go in debt just to go. It's worth it. So anyway, working on this top secret project. Haven't really been filming the project. Hasn't really been time to film the project. It's been crazy busy trying to get this thing going, but I have taken some clips here and there. So let me go ahead and fill you in on what's going on. Oh, and before I forget, it's still under construction at this present time. Enjoy. So guys, that was a lot of fun zipping around in that Pan Buggy with that 1641 on it. That's right. If you think about it, Volkswagen Bug only weighs 1,800, 2,000 pounds tops. Pan Buggy is probably a third of that for the 1641. Dude, that thing rips. It skedaddles. It moves. Trust me, it goes. How could we make that better? I know. You wonder why I've been building that GEX 1915? The former GEX 1915? Yeah! That's right. It's going on the Pan Buggy. And in the cam break-in that's coming up, you'll start to see a little bit more of the buggy. Alright, 1915 is done. Cam break-in is done. We branded it this time. Not a drop of oil. Ran great. 38 e-gas on top. Ran really nice. So here is the secret project we've been working on over the last about 6 weeks or so. That's right.
Hold on. Ugh.
Thing is sick, isn't it? Here's the fun thing. All we gotta do is unplug the harness right there for the lights, right? Stay with me. Unhook one brake line, and then the single wheel goes on. It's just a matter of unbolting the beam. Same setup down there. So stay tuned for Bug Jam. It's gonna be epic this year. Absolutely epic.